Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a day in my life as a small business owner. So I just took a shower to get ready for the day, and now we're gonna go make some breakfast and coffee. This is the outfit for the day because I am freezing right now. Okay, so instead of making coffee, I'm gonna make a zinger, which has like Red Bull in it. It's super good. So I'll show you guys how to make it. So you're just gonna get some ice, put it in your cup. You're gonna go ahead and open up your Red Bull, and then dump that all in. I get the sugar-free, but you could do regular if you want, whatever your preference is. This is just only 10 calories, so, and I have them almost every day, so that's not good, but it's okay. And then you're gonna get heavy whipping cream, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit more ice. I kinda like my ice to be full, so it makes it look like I have more drink. Okay. So I just add a dash of heavy whipping cream. I don't like mine too creamy. And then get whatever flavoring you want. Mine is strawberry. It's actually like super good. Or else I have blue raspberry. And I added like 4.5. Just depends on how much flavoring you want. Mix it up. Okay, so it's gonna look like really, okay, hold on. So it's gonna look like this, and I know that looks super gross, but honestly, like, it tastes so good. It tastes way better than what it looks like. So just trust me on this. Might need another dash of cream. It's just like to preference, like what you want to add. I'm gonna add another thing of this. Yep. If you like Red Bull, I highly recommend you try this. It's super good. And sometimes it's nice to switch up and not have coffee every day and just have this. So. Okay, so now that breakfast has been eaten, we are gonna go downstairs to the office. Right, Oreo? Yeah. Can't forget about my nasty slippers to wear. Perfect. Okay, so even though it's like 11 o'clock in the morning, I had a late night working, so I slept in. But I'm gonna do my daily schedule, like the time and stuff like that, of the stuff that I want to get done today, because I want to be super productive. Because yesterday, during the day, I just like procrastinated everything I needed to do. And then all of a sudden, I had the urge to do it at night, so I stayed up till like 3. So I'm gonna do this, and then we'll, yeah, I don't know. We'll just go off of whatever I put on this. Okay, so I don't really have much on here as it's literally 11 o'clock and I'm probably gonna work till like 5 today. But, I'll just tell you the agenda. So, right now, we're gonna look and pack whatever orders came in last night, and then after that, it doesn't have to be at noon, but after that, we're gonna organize my office because it's getting to be like a little bit, like it's not like messy, it's just like unorganized to where I feel comfortable. Like those are the fundraising t-shirts that I did. But like, it just looks a little bit chaotic, so I want to reorganize. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I just guessed like 2 hours because I'm a picky person. Then at 2, we're gonna take a lunch break because we did eat breakfast at 11. Then at 3, I'm gonna like kind of redo like my website photos. Not all of them because that's gonna take forever, but we're gonna try to do that. And then I'm guessing that will take like almost 2 hours, but at 4:45 I have to go to the post office and drop off any packages that I received throughout the day. And then if organizing my office doesn't take as long, I am going to add more stuff to my Etsy and then fix my titles on my Etsy page. But yes, that is the agenda today. Let me put that in because I kind of forgot to. Okay, so yes, that is the agenda today. I don't know how much more I'll be talking because I like to either watch Hulu, Disney Plus, or Netflix, or even YouTube throughout the day. And that's why I go through a show a day. But if I end up just like putting some music on, I'll talk with you guys. So let's go! Anybody know where that's from? No? Ashley family? Okay, well, let's go! Oreo, you ready to work? You ready to work? You ready to work? Yeah? Okay. So first what we're gonna do is print off the shipping label for the one order that I got overnight, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this order is for Scout. I know you guys can't see my face because I want you to be able to see it, but this order is for Scout. And she ordered the light blue towel scrunchie, and then I have to go get the tan one. Okay, and then here is the tan one. I'm gonna move these. And then she also ordered a lavender blossom sticker, which is this cutie. I also have it in a keychain and a mini keychain. And then she ordered the sticker sheet bundle. I'm gonna have to add that to my list. I have to print off more of these. So this is the sticker sheet bundle. It has the Happy Mail, Do Not Bend, and Shop Small stickers. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and package this up. And Scout's order is ready to go out today. Also, don't mind these clothes in the back. I posted them on my Mercari. I put a little command hook on this wall to hang them up and take a picture of them. Yeah, so they've just been sitting there, whatever, hasn't sold yet. So what I've realized since packaging Scout's order is that I need to, 1, stamp more tissue paper. So we're gonna add that to the list. And then I need to print more sticker sheets. And then, was there anything else that I need to do? I don't think so. I think those are the 2 things I needed to add. So, since packaging orders didn't take like an hour, like it kind of says on my sheet, I kind of knew it wasn't gonna because I only had one order. We are gonna print off some sticker sheets and then we're gonna stamp some tissue paper. Right now I'm actually going through my emails because I hate having any email notifications, so that will check off another box on our list. Okay, so I just got done going through all my emails, so we're gonna go ahead and cross that one off our checklist. And now I'm gonna print more sticker sheets. Okay, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about what sticker sheets brand I use. And I use Online Labels, and the sticker sheets that I use is the OL3012WX. So like the smaller, but not like too super small. But these are the sticker sheets that I use for making my sticker sheets. You honestly just load them into your printer and they print. And they even give you like a little code that you can use on Maestro Label Designer. So then you can it's easier to print like your whatever you're printing on them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna load these up and print them. So these, you can tell like they're not in the circle, which I kind of forgot. I have to singularly print out each one. So yeah, these will be used on my own packaging because they're not like perfect, obviously. Like, look at that. But yeah, forgot about that. So now I have to redo this. So now the sheets are printed off. I just print like a random amount normally because I just have like an ongoing thing on my website. So now I'm gonna organize these into the 3 piles that they are and then put them away. If anyone is wondering, this is where Oreo's bed is. It keeps the door open from the garage, aka where my inventory is. And she just kind of chills here while I'm in my office all day. So I kind of got off of our checklist a little bit. I decided to add like my thank you cards that are right there that I use for my packaging as a digital download on my website. So I've been doing that for the past like 45 minutes and now it's 12:40. Yeah. So now we are going to organize this mess. So yeah. Okay, let's get to organizing this mess. I don't know what to do with this because this used to be in my old office and now it's just there. And then I have this mirror I was gonna put on that wall, but then I found that sign and this is just a little bit too heavy for the wallpaper. So I might just get rid of it. Okay, so quick intermission because we got a package from Amazon. It's my new computer case. Because I got a new computer, so I needed a new case. So and of course, my favorite color is pink, so I had to get a pink one. And the new case is they're so cute. Okay, let's get back to cleaning. Hey guys, so my sister decided to come join me for a bit in the office. So I'm gonna stop my cleaning for now, but I need to package some orders for the fundraiser that I did. So here's a little clip of that. Okay, so my sister just left and it's now 2:30, but I had another order come through, so I'm gonna go ahead and package that on Reels quick. Okay, so I just finished packaging that video for Reels. I'll put that here. Okay, so it is now 3 o'clock. I have not eaten lunch, but I'm actually like not that hungry. So I'll just eat whenever I am hungry. I do have on the list redo website photos, but honestly that just seems like a lot of work right now. But put you guys down here. But we can mark off make reels / TikToks. So we got one done for today. Next on my to-do list is to stamp tissue paper. And I still have not finished organizing my office, and that was supposed to be at noon to 2. I had some stuff going on. I had to bring my dog Oreo to my parents' house so she could get out of my way and I could get some stuff done. So I think we're gonna stamp some tissue paper, and then after that I am going to I might deep clean my office a little bit. I might take some wipes and wipe down my Cricut, my all 3 workspaces, that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go and stamp some tissue paper and organize, and that's what you guys will see in the next clips. Okay, so I just finished stamping all of this tissue paper, as you guys saw. So now we're gonna get to cleaning all this mess and reorganizing. So let's go. So I pretty much have everything clean, organized, all that I want to / needed to. Other than that, my office is gonna be a little bit of a mess because, creative minds equals mess. So that's pretty much all I had today. But if you guys have any questions or video suggestions, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll for sure try and do my best to create them or answer the questions. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I know you guys like my content and what you are seeing. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.